If this were some cozy whodunit novel, I would say foul play is at work in my city. Another lover's tiff in room 5. Constantly at each other's throats. I hate couples like that. I hate having to listen to couples like that. Noisy bastard. Lives in room 3. Don't know the name. No one knows the names of their neighbors anymore. All I know is he plays that guitar like no one else in this city can hear him. Drilling in room 2. The very straw broke the camel's back. I try and focus. I think of the victims. Victim number 1, battered to death with his own guitar. Victims 2 and 3, both shot in the heart. Victim number 4, trepanned in the right temple with a power drill. Completely different murder methods, completely different people, nothing connecting them at all. But there is a connection between these murders. I know it's there. It's practically staring at me in the face.
This is the police! Open the door, put your hands on your head, and lay down on the ground.
At least it's quiet now.